Hello and welcome to Excel-Templates.com. This is Steve equals true. Please visit my blog at Excel-Templates.com so you're sure to get the latest posts, tips, tricks, and techniques. Learn everything about Excel. All right, today I've seen a lot of user posts out there saying, how can I get a specific color into my Excel chart? And a great use case is if you have a chart where you're comparing yourselves against other competitors and you want to highlight your specific company and your specific company's color, you can do that in Excel, and it just takes a couple extra clicks, and I'll show you where you find that. So contact your marketing department, find out what color is your specific company color, and then always use that in your charts from now on. Now you may get something like a RGB number, you may also get a hex number or HSL, lots of different ones that are out there. Now any of these other ones that you don't have, our company does it in RGB, but you may get hex. Excel can use HSL or RGB. If you get a hex number, just Google hex to RGB converter, and you can put in the hex code, which is something like #9CFF01, something like that, and it'll give you the three-digit value for the same color in RGB. Now let me show you how we go about doing and adding that to our chart. So let's go and create a new chart. Just going to highlight my range of chart data. I'm going to go to my insert ribbon. Going to click on the 2D column chart, and I'm going to pull that on over here, and so that you can see it. Now I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, and then also I like to change these gap widths to make them a lot larger. They just seem to stand out a lot more predominant. Now you can see a very simple chart. All of the colors are the same, but I want to highlight our company. So if I click on the data series, then I click on that one specific point again, you'll see it got highlighted. So I click on the data series, click on that one point a second time, and you can see it's the only one that's highlighted now. Now if I either hit Control 1 or double click on that point, you see it says Format Data Point. Now I want to go to my fill options. It would say Format Series up here if you're still on the whole series, so make sure it says Format Data Point. And on your fill menu option, you're going to have a solid fill as a choice. And then down here in the color area, you're going to want to choose, let me move this up a little bit more so you can see it. So solid fill, and then in your colors, you're going to click on More Colors. Now in your More Colors dialog box, you can see those are your two choices, RGB and HSL. So in my RGB values, I'm going to enter in those numbers that I got from my marketing department of 0, and I'm going to do 107, and I'm going to change the final one to 84. Notice it gets that sharp green color. Click on OK and close it out, and you'll see that my chart now has our specific company information in for that value. So hopefully this has helped you add colors to your charts. So once again, you can click on the whole data series if you want. If let's say our company's data series is in one column of data and everyone else is in another, then you can just change that one entire series to the color that you need, but just double click on it. Make sure it says Format Data Point. Go to your fill options, choose a solid fill, and then in More Colors, under your color area, you're going to want to choose RGB and put those numbers in there and click on OK. Hopefully this has helped you. This is Excel-Templates.com. I'm Steve equals true. Please visit my blog for other great tips and tutorials, and also consider subscribing to my video channel so you're sure to get the next post delivered directly to your inbox. Thank you.